I'll be sharing my updated recipe for a perfect sourdough bread. I like to use hot water that is about 140 Fahrenheit. Add white and a little bit of rye flour. Knead the dough just until it's combined. See, it's already not hot and perfectly safe to add the yeast. Always add the starter at its highest rise. Honey is optional. And now you're gonna knead the dough just until it's combined. See, the dough is warm and it's gonna rise faster. Wait until it doubles in size. Dissolve salt and boiling water. Now we're gonna knead for a long time until it looks silky, shiny, and smooth. Cover and wait until it doubles in size. Wet your hands and do the stretch and fold. That's when we stretch each side of the dough and folding it toward the center. Cover and wait until it doubles in size. Then with the wet hands, you're gonna do the coil fold. That's when you stretch the dough and fold it on itself, and you can do it twice from both sides. Cover and wait until it doubles in size. That's some flour. Split the dough into two. Stretch it into rectangle. Fold both sides toward the center. Then again, both sides toward the center. And seal it. Make sure all the sides are dusted in flour with the seam side up. Lay it into the basket. Dust more flour and then cover and let them double in size. Do you see how fluffy they look? They should always look like this before you bake them. I like to transfer the bread to a parchment paper and then dust some flour and score it. I like to spray a little bit of water to create steam inside the pot. After 20 minutes, we're gonna open the lid and let them bake until desired color.